Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, guys. If this is your first time here on my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. If not, and you're one of my regulars, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you guys here. Thank you for checking out my video. I'm back with Impact Mailing Club. I know a lot of people have been saying, hey, are you still promoting Impact Mailing Club? I haven't seen you talk about it in a few weeks. You've been seeing me talk about the postcard programs, but absolutely, Impact Mailing Club is a great program, and I'm still getting sign-ups from the program, from the flyers that I've been mailing out, and I'm getting a lot of calls on it, so it's still a great program. So I want to come back and talk about it. As you can see on my screen, Impact Mailing Club is a lead package affiliate referral plan. Okay, this company actually sells leads, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Okay, these are targeted people. So what they've done is they have several packages of leads that you can buy. The cost, range from $100 up to, the double diamond level, okay, over $2,000. You can get some great leads with this program. I use the leads to promote all my business opportunities with direct mail, okay, and they're USPS verified, so you're going to get less nixies, less returns by using the Impact Mailing Club leads. Okay, it's my main source. Now, this particular company, what is so significant about it, this program is in English. You can get an English version or you can get a Spanish version of the program. Okay, I've never seen a direct mail program that's in English and in Spanish. Okay, so that right there is a great benefit. I'm sorry, someone's sending me a message. It's a great benefit to joining the program. Okay, so every business needs leads. I don't care what you are part of, you're going to need leads. Just so happen these leads are going to be on peel and stick labels, so you can actually mail. Okay, you can mail postcards or you can mail flyers to these leads. Now, this particular program is a flyer program. However, I use the leads also with my postcard programs. Okay, but this is a flyer program, so you're going to get a flyer. Okay, and you're going to mail your flyer to the leads that you purchased from the program. Okay, so let's talk about that real quickly. Let's show you something here, then I'm going to show you some results. Okay, I'm still getting sign-ups. People are still buying lead packages for this program. Okay, so let's talk about it. Okay, so this is from Impact Mailing Club. This is some information they sent out, so I'm actually just showing you the information they gave to me. Okay, their leads are USPS verified, as I stated, and it tells you here, what does that mean? Our entire postal database is kept up to date through constant verification against the NCOA, National Change of Address. Okay, so what it means is when people, if they notify the post office that they've moved, you're getting the most current records or updates. Because we know sometimes people move and they never notify the post office. So you're going to get returns, okay? And you're going to get returns in general with direct mail. That's just what it is. But Impact Mailing Club is stating that they have a service that they've paid for to get these USPS verified records, okay? So this is their information, and I'm just sharing it with you. So that's one reason why you want to use their leads. And then the other reason is because you earn a commission when you sell the lead packages. Okay, so this is some information that came directly from them, and you'll get this as well. But as it states, the mailing list, this is the mailing list that makes money. You've got to have targeted people, guys. You don't want to be sending information to people that's not even interested in what you have to offer. So that's what makes your list very important and critical in direct mail. Now let's go down a little further. This is what they state. IMC, which is Impact Mailing Club, mailing lists are mixed database of direct mail, okay, home-based business and MLM buyers, all within the USA, U.S. territories, and Canada. And they also have a Hispanic mailing list. As I stated earlier, you can get your letter in Spanish, okay? So you have a Spanish version or English version of this program, okay? So let's go down and look at some more information. I want to show you something else. Hang on a second. Okay, right here, because someone asked me the other day about the leads. Check this out. This is the information that Impact shares. With the right customer database in place, you can use this knowledge to develop personalized and targeted marketing communications that build these customer relationships over the long term. Our postal leads have been mailed once within the last 45 days. Okay? So that's key as well. Okay? So you're getting a great mailing list. You're going to get less returns. We're not saying you're not going to get any nixies, but you're going to get less with Impact Mailing Club. So now let's talk about the lead packages and how you can earn a commission by being an affiliate for this company. Okay? Okay. Here we are. Now, these memberships or these levels, they're one-time payments. There's no monthly fees for these. Okay? You make your one-time investment. You're in. If you decide you want to upgrade and go up to the next package level, you can do that as well. But let's take a look. So we've got the Emerald level. The Emerald lead package gives you 100 leads. Okay? It will cost you $100. $65 is what you would make when someone joins you from your letter. Your sponsor will make $20. Okay? And then the other 15 goes to the company. So that's where that's how the 100 is split out. Okay, the next package is the Ruby package. You get 200 leads with that. It's going to cost you $250. 150 goes to the person you join, and then 50 goes to their sponsor, and then 50 goes to the company. Okay, you get 200 leads. The next package is Sapphire. It's $500. You make $300. Your sponsor makes $100, and 100 goes to the company. You get 400 leads with that. The next one is Diamond. It's $2,000. You make $1,000 when you sell this lead package. Your sponsor makes $500. The company makes $500. You get 1,000 leads. Okay, and mind you, when you join me in this program, I'm going to match that. Okay, those leads. So in other words, let's say if you came in at the Diamond level, you get 1,000 leads. I'm going to send you 1,000 leads. If you come at the Sapphire, you get 400. I'm going to give you 400. So I'm going to match each level. Okay. And of course, the higher level you come in for as the packages, the more money you're going to be able to make. Because if someone comes in, let's say you come in at an Emerald, someone decides to come in at the Sapphire, you lose that sale. It comes up to me. Okay. That's how that works. So this is a great program to get started. As I stated, it's leads. Everybody needs leads. Okay. So in essence, you're a lead broker or a lead affiliate for Impact Mailing Club. So you're going to be compensated for selling the lead packages. That's it. That's all. It has 2 tiers, which is wonderful. So when your team makes a sale, you get paid also. As I stated, an example would be if you come in at the Emerald and someone joins by your letter, you get $65. Your sponsor makes $20. So every time your team makes money, you make money. The Tier 2 payouts is very powerful. Okay? So that's pretty much what it is, guys. Lead packages. Everybody needs leads. So every time you sell a lead package, you're compensated with commissions and stamps. Let's take a look at the letter that you would get. Let me show you my letter, your flyer rather. Hang on a second. Okay, here is what the letter would look like. Okay, move this around a little bit. Unlimited payments of $65 up to $1,000. Okay, and it has some verbiage here, but this is the letter, 1-page flyer. Okay, so depending on what level you come in at, that's what's going to be indicated on your flyer. I'm at the Diamond level, so that's why it shows the highest level is the Diamond for me. They do have a double Diamond, okay, level, but the Sapphire and the Diamond is the most popular. Okay, so as you can see, what I just stated here earlier is here on this flyer. An example, let's say if you came in at the Sapphire, you would send in $500. Out of the 500, 300 will come to me, plus you would send me 2 books of stamps. You would send 100 to my sponsor and send 2 books of stamps, and then you would send 100 to the company. Okay, so you're going to send in stamps and you're going to send in your commission. So we're compensated for selling the lead packages with commissions and stamps. That way you get your stamps from the people that join you. Then all you have to do is keep mailing your flyers. Okay, so that's what the flyer will look like. It's going to show box 1, 2, and 3 at the bottom. Okay, and it's going to tell you how much to send to each person on the flyer, as it indicates right here. And you have the address of each person you need to send your payments to. Now, you're going to make 3 copies of this flyer because there's 3 people that you're mailing it to, and you want to send it priority mail. There's no signature required. Just pay for priority mail. Okay, that way you get a tracking number for each person you're mailing to on your receipt at the post office. Once you do that, get that receipt copy, just text me your tracking number. That way I'll know when my payment is coming, and I can be on the lookout for it, and I can go ahead and make sure I get you confirmed in as soon as it arrives. Okay, all right, now with that being said, I have a couple packages. Okay, so this program is still working. It has not stopped. All right, so I want to show you these 2 payments very quickly, but I'm going to put the link below. All right, mailorderfreedomclub.com, mailorderfreedomclub.com. Go ahead and check it out. Get started with me in the program. Again, I'm going to match the amount of leads you're going to get. If you're interested in promoting this online, it's not required, but if you are, we have a sales funnel already set up for you to plug into. But this is very simple. It's not complicated. It's not a complicated comp plan. You make a sale, you get paid. If you sell an emerald package, you make $65. If you sell a ruby package, you make $150. If you sell a sapphire lead package, you make $300. If you sell a diamond package, you make $1,000. And then, of course, your sponsor will get paid as well. Okay? That's it. Mail flyers. All right, guys, so let's take a look at what's in these packages. Okay? Hang on a second. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at these packages that I have here. 2, and I always, scratch out people's addresses for privacy protection. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Matter of fact, I spoke to this gentleman earlier, Mr. Darius, all the way from Vegas. Okay, all the way from Vegas. Okay, so let's check it out. Definitely want to mail your payments in priority, guys, so that you can track it. Okay, because we know mail does get lost sometimes. Oh my! Gotta get this one open. Okay, let's see what we have in here. We got it wrapped tight. Okay. Okay, here's the flyer. I'm going to fold it down. It's got some permission in there. We'll put that here. I'm going to fold this down because I don't want to show his information. Alrighty. Here's the flyer. Okay. Now, let's see what we got. Alright. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 50. Okay, so that's a ruby level payment. Okay, we looked at that earlier. That's a ruby level payment. So that's a 200 leads that Mr. Darius is going to get. That's the lead package that he joined, the ruby level. Okay, 200 leads, and then I'm going to send him 200 for joining me. So thank you so much, Mr. Darius, all the way from Vegas. Okay, we got one more package, guys. All right. Okay, this gentleman is Mr. Black, all the way from Miami. Okay, I'll turn it this way so we don't show people's information. Okay, that way you can see What we got here. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all the stamps too. Of the other one, but stamps. You always get stamps. This one came with, he sent a money order. This is $300. I'm going to show you this in a second. Put it there. I don't want to show his information. Okay. He checked it off on here that he joined as a Sapphire. Let me show you that. I want to hide his information though. Alrighty. We're going to hide it so that you don't get this information. And let's see if we get it ready. Hang on. Okay. See that? He said Sapphire. That's a $300 commission when you get a Sapphire package. And you see the money orders for $300. Okay. So 300 plus 150. Not bad. Okay. So you guys can do the same. You get stamps and you make commissions. Okay. For selling lead packages. That's all we do. It's not complicated. So if you're interested in a flyer program, go ahead and check that link out below. www.mailorderfreedomclub. Join me and I'll match the amount of leads that you get in your package. Now, real quick, for those of you that's interested in postcard marketing, I've got you covered with that too. We've got the Cash Cow. You make $100 commissions with this one. 2 tiers is $300 to get in this one. Okay. We've got the Tycoon. You make $300 per sale. It's only one level. Okay. But you're going to get a website. You're going to get 250 postcards, 250 leads, and then I'm going to send you 400 leads. Okay. With it. You get 100 with this one. I forgot to tell you. You get 100 postcards, and I'm going to send you 200 leads. Okay. $1,000 commissions. If you're looking for the high ticket direct mail program, Supreme Profit System. Okay. Supreme Profit System is the front and the back. This one comes with a website also. It comes with 1,000 postcards, and I'll send you 1,000 leads. Okay. And I have a Profit Max formula that's 500 per sale. I'll have to email you that one. Okay. So if you're interested in any of these programs, direct mail marketing, it's booming. Everybody is home. Everybody's checking their mailbox. Okay. They were doing it before, but they're doing it even more now. Okay. I can't say highly enough that sales has gone up even during this pandemic. So it's a great time to get in a home-based business. But if you're looking for something simple, you don't want to deal with the internet, direct mail is the way to go. With that being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I want everybody to be safe out there. I'm going to show you something real quick, though, before I let you go. Look at all these stamps for my postcard program. That's 6 rows of stamps. Okay? So I'm really serious about my direct mail. Okay? So if you're interested in direct mail, get with me. I look forward to working with you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.